now we're shipping?
Yep. Shipping
favorite
wars. Go.
Cabaret host and guests.
Be on Cabaret Dating Simulator, make it happen.
I'm taking Dan.
There we go. I got one up because of it.
I don't know.
You know,
I think I would.
You know, I would love to see that go above 3 for once.
I was at 6. Don't you remember when I had 6 at one point?
Yeah, and then you rapidly lost them.
Yes, rapidly.
At least you had some to lose. And
This is me getting
Snipe.
a silent treatment.
Okay, maybe if I close my eyes, I can pretend you're playing well.
Breed. Welcome to the world of make-believe.
Imagination. How SpongeBob does that shit.
Did you ever watch Black Dynamite?
yes, that is
The Mr. Rogers episode? Huh, I got hit on that one. Interesting.
Black Dynamite is fucking amazing.
Black Dynamite is like one of my favorite shows. It's so dumb.
The movie is amazing.
I've never seen the movie.
It is fucking amazing.
I've seen clips of it.
The reason why they made a TV show based off of it.
I feel like I heard of Black Dynamite before.
Isn't that the show where like
He
like
Was it during Cartoon Network's live action phase?
No. This is
No, wait, it
definitely
was
not
Pride
kid friendly.
Dynamite, that was it.
It's definitely not kid friendly. We can both say that for 100% certainty.
is that the show on like where the meme like I swear I remember this.
No idea.
Hang on, let me pull up the trailer.
Dave, are you gonna be the hero in this hero in this call?
Normally,
Yeah, isn't he usually the Google graphic?
He is.
usually.
Here.
Plus
Let
with
me
the
see.
abacus too. He's the one who always keeps of how many times I died.
Yes.
He's
That's right.
He's lost track.
also the abacus.
Yes.
Let me see. I have you guys have to get rid of my power now. Yeah, I guess I have
No,
to. Yep.
No.
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 Yep.
What is it? Oh,
I
did
would
he die?
take your head and then break it open like an egg.
Like an egg. A very. Where you make scramble. Okay, if you had a choice of like what he had to do with my head for like egg wise, what would it be?
It depends. Can I make use
Crack
of a
it.
wood chipper?
The bowl.
And then just get rid of it.
Crack the egg into
Dude, I'm
the
just
bowl.
gonna throw it against the wall.
Crack the egg into the bowl.
Alright.
I
Yeah.
don't know, I can
I'm
really
just gonna make you part of like a how to basic video.
Yeah, just like rapidly throw the pieces of his skull on like some random thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rapid fire.
You know
Yeah.
something? If How to Basic, I think How to Basic would make that video. Just because I love that
I
guy.
wouldn't be surprised.
Hey, guys,
if
look!
Drake is How
I
to
won up.
Basic.
Huh.
Get it.
Dude, he revealed his face a while back ago, man.
Yeah, I
Hey,
can't
it's so
believe
funny.
How to Basic is every single YouTuber.
Well, no,
God,
like,
he has more-
part of like he kind of. Okay, whatever. Anyways,
He has more than 3 lives. It's a miracle.
yeah, I was
Oh my
mentioning
god! Oh my god, he does! What the hell?
that. Wait, now that we're mentioning it. and-
No. No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
You messed this up. You messed
I'm
this
not
up.
gonna-
no!
I'm
My god! If not for us, do it for the comments!
We have comments?
Yes.
Do you know how YouTube?
No, I don't actually.
Yes,
You have like
clearly.
460 subscribers now.
There
Well, if
is
you're really
no
gonna get-
excuse.
But they're all the
Yeah, but-
excuses.
More.
Need 40 more for 500, and the Q&A video can drop.
The worst part
Right.
is, I was expecting that to drop like earlier on in June.
Oh.
But then
Yeah, because the way we were going, it kind of seemed like it before.
Yeah.
Like you were checking like a social blade and we're kind of like making predictions and shit.
Actually,
Yeah,
kind of
but
yes.
But then we kind of faltered.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, you got 5, man.
Oh, time for the final boss. I'm gonna make this one its own episode because I don't know how long it's gonna take me.
It's gonna be special.
I
Yep.
promise you it's gonna be less than 10 minutes if you play decent.
Whoa, whoa. Are you telling me that I have to play decently? Never.
You'll never beat Kirby 64.
Why do you think Jake has this?
Because I've defeated it before.
Yeah, I've never gotten past this boss before.
Whoa.
Oh
This is
God,
gonna be
what
some
the
good shit.
fuck?
I am actually better than Jake in this game, except for this point.
Except for the part of
The
the,
only reason why Jake has this game is because he's beaten it.
except for the part where Mila actually played and he died. I remember that. Such fun times.
Alright, well, I'm gonna sign out for this. Bye,
Alright.
everybody, I'm Bros, and we're gonna see the final boss. Oh boy.
Good night, everyone. I'm
me.
Real Just Jake.
Save me!
Oh boy.
Alright, good night, everyone.